Hello, you are welcome to today's practicals. Today we are going to be making a bottle raft. It looks like this. This piece of art craft will float on water when you are done. You can even put some load on it. Have you ever entered a boat before, or a canoe, or a ship? It's such an interesting experience to float on water. So to do this bottle raft, we need a ruler, some lollipop sticks, a glue, rubber band, and that's all. So to do this, the first stage is to get 11 lollipop sticks and put them side by side like this. So let's count together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Next, you get 2 lollipop sticks like this, and then you put them across this place and this other place, then you glue it. This ruler will help you to guide you to make them very straight, like this. What we want to make is something like this. So this is the end product. You keep it here. So you get your glue, you open it, so you carefully apply your glue to this one, here like this. Be careful with your hand because you can get stuck to your hand. Then you put it like this. You hold it for a few seconds to allow it to get dried. Then you do the same to the second side. Apply the glue here. Good. Carefully place it here like this. So hold this one down. Move it around so that it doesn't get stuck to one place. Good. Now, while that one is getting dried, you get 3 lollipop sticks like this. You arrange them side by side. Then you get another one, then put it across these 3 lollipop sticks like this. Good. Use your ruler to make sure it's straight. Want to make something like this. So look at it. This is the end product. Good. So you get your glue. You apply it to this point, and then this point. Close it. And you put it across. Carefully, make sure it's straight. Good. Now you do 2 of it. So get another lollipop stick, put it across, and apply your glue. Here we go. So while this one is getting dried, let's check this one we made. Good. Good. So you leave it for like 3 minutes. So when it's dried, you are going to have something like this. Next, you get 2 rubber bands, you put them together, and then you hang it this way, and the other one this way. You get the second one, and do the same, this way, and then this way. Then you have something like this. Next, you get this one that is now dried. and you connect this one to it. Turn it upside down. We'll put it like this. Turn this one upside down. Arrange a rubber band. You put this one across. This one also across it like this. Then you apply your glue. This way. This way. And then towards the middle. Do the same to the second side. This way, this way, and then this way. You hold it down and allow it to get dried. Good. So you leave it for like 3 minutes. So when it's dried, it will look like this. If you've noticed, we've cleared our table so that we can fix our plastic bottles into the rubber band. These bottles will serve as the floating wheel. So we get one of the plastic bottles, you expand the rubber band like this, and you put it inside like this. So this end. Then do the same to the other side. Like this. Have something like this. Get the second one. Expand it like this. On top, and finally this one. And your bottle raft is ready. That'll be all for today's lesson. Remember, if you want to make a bottle raft, you need lollipop sticks, a rubber band, and a plastic bottle. See you next time, and goodbye.